Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SOXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look, whoops, grab the wrong annotation tool here. There we go. So while that all may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's huge move, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just go ahead and get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right here at $6.25, like I said, one of the newest areas of support, the ideal level of support going forward, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up here above $6.70. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $6.70, I'm not saying that means the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above $6.70, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above the 670-ish mark, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy behind this at all other than the fact that the party stopped today right up there at the 707 mark. So 707 will be public enemy number 1 going forward. But really, and I think I've probably mentioned this in past videos, resistance levels on stocks like this don't matter that much. What do I mean by like this? Well, one's where the price is now starting to chip away and get higher and higher. Or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So in other words, as long as the price continues to build higher bases as time goes on, then everything else will continue to take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.